Hey guys, welcome to 13 days of Christmas giveaways. I'm so excited for these giveaways. I have worked really hard with them and yeah, I think you guys are really going to love them. So this is giveaway day number 1. I'm so excited. This giveaway is so good. So yeah, you can see here what we have. We have the new Nikita palette, we have the James palette, we have the James X Morphe, is it like the Master Brush collection or whatever? It's like the biggest one he does. I'm so excited. I've never had one of these in a giveaway before. We have 6 Colourpop palettes. Then we have some Laura Mercier stuff, some Body Shop stuff. We have a candle. And yeah, so make sure you guys enter. All rules will be in the description box down below. But yeah, good luck. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!